Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own recipe book on Canva. Whether you're a passionate cook wanting to share your favorite dishes or looking to create a unique personalized gift, Canva makes it easy and fun. Let's dive in and create something amazing. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an intuitive, free online design platform that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. On the home page, type recipe book into the search bar to explore a wide range of templates. Take your time browsing. There's everything from minimalist designs to bold, colorful layouts. Pick one that speaks to your style. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. You can customize every part to match your vision. Once you've found a template you love, click Customize this template. This opens the layout where the magic happens. Start by replacing placeholder text with your own recipes. You can adjust fonts, colors, and sizes to make it truly yours. Double check all your measurements and spelling. It's the small details that make a recipe book professional. Next, update your images. Click any illustration or photo you want to change and select Replace Image. You can upload your own food photos or use Canva's library of free images. Choosing appealing visuals will bring your recipes to life and make your book irresistible. After editing, ensure your book has a consistent look. Check fonts, colors, and image placement across all pages. A cohesive design makes your recipe book look polished and professional. Finally, when everything looks perfect, click Download in the top right corner. Choose your preferred format. PDF works great for printing. Make sure the resolution and size are correct for high quality prints. And just like that, you've created a beautiful, personalized recipe book on Canva. Now you can share your culinary creations with friends and family or even gift it to someone special. Thanks for watching and happy cooking and designing.